Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete all reposts on TikTok at once. If your repost section is full and you want to clear everything quickly, then make sure to watch this video till the end and follow each step carefully. So, let's get started. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, look for the repost icon and tap on it. This is where all your reposted videos are stored. Now, since TikTok doesn't currently provide a direct option to delete all reposts at once, we'll use an alternative method. Tap on the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu, then go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find the Help Center option and tap on it. Once you're inside the Help Center, scroll down to the Post section and tap on TikTok Post View History. After that, keep scrolling down and look for related articles. From there, tap on Others Cannot See My Newly Uploaded Videos. Now scroll down again and tap on Need More Help. This will open the support section where you can contact TikTok directly. Tap on Post and in the message box, type something like delete all TikTok reposts. Then type support to proceed with submitting your request. Now go to your notes, copy your prepared message or prompt, and paste it into the ticket submission box. Once you submit your request, TikTok support will review it. You can also check the details of your ticket from the same section, and usually they respond within 24 hours. And that's it. That's how you can request to delete all your reposts on TikTok at once.